Hey, what is going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning into this video. And today I wanted to talk about this Verizon charger that I have here. As you can see, Verizon sells this at their store. It's a pretty pricey cable. It's about, I believe it's $20. But either way, it's very expensive for, for a cable like this, unless, of course, it's a Thunderbolt 3 cable, which I highly doubt. But and also, even if it's a USB 3.0, it still would be pretty decent, especially since it is a fabric-like cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it, check it out here. As you can see, it is brand new. I haven't even tested it out yet, so we're gonna test it out here today. Again, USB-C cable. Now, I was buying a gift for a friend, and this came with it. He doesn't have a phone that's USB-C compatible, so we're gonna see if we can use it ourselves. Now, it is pretty long here. I would say this thing is about 4 feet long, maybe 5 feet long. Kind of hard to tell with this camera here, since I only do have one camera, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out. This is a power meter. It's gonna show us how much power is going into the laptop. This is the 13-inch MacBook Pro's regular charger. This is rated at 61 watts because it's the 13-inch 2017 model. Let's see here, 61 watts, as you can see right there. So let's see if this will handle it. And then last but not least, we'll go ahead and test it out. This is an SSD here. This is a 500 gig SSD. So we're gonna see if we can transfer speeds. It should transfer at about anywhere between 400 to 500 megabytes per second. And if anything less than that, it depends on how less. We'll figure it out though. But let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I do have it plugged into the wall here. Here's the cable, again with that power meter here, and as you can see right there, right here, it is plugged in. The cable runs up to here. So I just wanted to show you that. So to take a full advantage of the charge, I went ahead and discharged the battery on this laptop. So completely drained, and you're gonna see here. As you can see right there, it's asking to plug in the laptop to a charger. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So as you can see, now it is connected to power. I do want to show you where it's at right now. Now, as you can see right there, it is 19.5 volts at nearly 3 amps, which is really close to the 60 watts. You just multiply both of them. Whatever the number is, that is the wattage that's going into this laptop. So it is definitely capable of charging at least a 2013 MacBook Pro. I can't say about the 15-inch model, so since I don't have that laptop, but definitely can take care of 61 watts. All right, that is definitely a good sign here. So what our next step is going to be is we are going to leave it plugged in using the original cable, and then we're going to try to see if what type of data goes through that cable. So let's go ahead and do that. Our next step here is to go ahead and plug in the cables here with the SSD. So we're doing that right now. Just run the cable through the back, and as you can see, I am connecting it to the other side of this MacBook Pro. So you can see there's a little blue indicator there. All right, so we're getting somewhere here. We're gonna run Blackmagic disk speed test. We are going to select the target drive, which it is, as you can see, already selected to my drive. So it's right there. gonna go ahead and hit open and start. And I already know that this is a USB 2.0 cable, unfortunately. So of course Verizon just sells it to charge their devices and transfer some sort of data, but Apple does the same thing. Their white cable that comes with the charger for this laptop it's USB 2.0 as well too. But yeah, that is something that if you want to look into and consider. You know, I hope this video helped you out. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them on the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one.